YouTube channel. This is Anagha Koka, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple South Indian sambar. This is tangy, spicy and full of nutrition, and let's watch how to make this sambar. And if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. So let's watch how to make this South Indian sambar. So to begin with, first we are going to add, first is bodyguard, onion, we need to mix all the vegetables, bodyguard, green chilies, carrots, whole onion, here I've used the red onions, and brinjal. Next we are going to add tomatoes, roughly 3 to 4 tomatoes, and drumstick. Mix this well. And let this boil. Next we are going to add 1.5 glass of water and boil these vegetables. So this has been boiling for 10 minutes, and now last I'll going to add lady finger. You can even add sweet potato, the choice is yours. So mix this. You can even add radish. Mix gently so that the drumsticks are not broken. To this, 2 cups of boiled dal, tur dal it is. Add 2 spoons of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Add turmeric, chili powder. To this I am going to add around 1.5 glass of water and mix well. And next, tamarind extract. Let this boil for 10 minutes. Now this has been boiling from last 10 minutes. Now I am going to add sambar powder, little jaggery, and coriander leaves. So let this boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then we'll be adding a tadka or tempering. For tadka, add oil, let this oil get little warm. Then we are going to add first garlic, let the rawness of garlic goes. Once it goes, then we can add the next item. Next we are going to add mustard seeds, cumin seeds or jeera, and curry leaves. We can add and a pinch of hing, and then so once the garlic are turned into golden color, switch off the flame and pour this into sambar. Mix this and let it boil for 2 minutes, and then we can serve. So now let's serve this sambar. Garnish with little And here the sambar is ready. In case if you have liked my video, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.